Halloween Horror Nights 2024. We can hear the chainsaws going. This is going to be absolutely epic. You ready, Andrew?
Oh, I'm ready to go get spooked.
We're going to dedicate some time to the food and to the scare zones, and we'll see if we can squeeze in a house or two, but we got a whole season left, baby, so there's plenty of time. Let's go check this out. Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights 2024, and this is the pinchos, the spinal column pinchos. We got it over at Mercado de los Muertos, and we also got the Despedadora. You can see that it is the souvenir cup. These refill for $13.50, I think. Great deal. This is a good drink. I just tasted it. Lime, mango, rum. It even has little pomegranate seeds in there. These are the pinchos, covered in red chimichurri. It is a good size. Forgive the bites. We kind of already dug in a little, but they are good. Massive size, really good option here. El Mercado de los Monstruos chocolate tres leches cake. We've been looking forward to this one because we love tres leches. Let's try it.
That's good.
It's got little like white chocolate chips in there. Is that right?
Look. There's the
yeah, baby.
That's the leche.
That's a good pick. Chocolate tres leches. Definitely a must-do. Mercado de los Monstruos is definitely one spot you're going to want to stop at when you're here at Halloween Horror Nights to grab some great stuff. Hey everyone from Halloween Horror Nights!
2024, baby.
Woo! Hey friends, we just bumped into Gavin Hatch here at Halloween Horror Nights.
Hello.
Gavin is a good friend of ours. Can you tell us a little bit about how to find you?
So I am on Instagram, Gavin Hatch Realtor. I am a local realtor. I'm with Serhant, and I specialize in helping folks make Orlando and Central Florida their home, either if you're coming out of state or if you're just looking to upgrade your life. I love the theme parks myself. I love Taste Buzz, so I mean, it's great. It's really fun to come to the parks and meet new friends and hang out. And yeah, so if you have any real estate needs, any goals to achieve, reach out to me.
Oh, baby rat!
What is going on in this scare zone?
Looks like he's got some over there. This is Swamp Zombies! Fog is everywhere here. Everywhere you look. You've got gators hiding, dead bodies. As it gets darker here, it definitely gets harder to see, and the scares become scarier. One whole year we've waited, and it is worth every single bit of time spent waiting. Chewing on an arm. Excellent scare zone. Swamp Zombies. As we all know, there is no Halloween Horror Nights without Mel's Die-In. Definitely a HHN staple here. We are in the Blumhouse area. Lots of scary people here, but this bar is epic looking. This is definitely the spot for some drinks and some photo ops. Here are some of the drinks here. We got a Ghoul Juice Margarita, Quick to Die Margarita, several other beverages, and wine. Kinda looks like Yoda. We're here with Magtastic! We're all checking out Halloween Horror Nights 2024! We're taking a little stroll down memory lane. We got the Kitty Cat Club, Drew prancing around. We're heading to another scare zone. We just bumped into our friends Magtastic Productions. If you have not subscribed to them, make sure you check them out. They are great. They do a lot of fun content in the area in Orlando here as well. The smell of turkey legs is in the air. We are walking into another scare zone, baby. Right by the Palace Arcade. Let's check this out. Ooh, a jester. Ye old aim and maim. Make sure you get that bullseye. Someone help her!
Please, somebody help me. They're gonna kill us. Please.
This is the Ye Old Torture Fair. Lots of activity in this area. There's the torture fair up there. Let's go check that area out. You take a photo here with the king and queen of the torture fair. There he is, looking mighty handsome. Made it to the tribute store. Let's go inside and check it out.
This where the cookies are.
Yep. Little Boo swag. Ghostbusters. That is awesome. That is awesome. I love this mug. 20 bucks, not bad, not bad at all. I love this bag. Such a cute bag. What you looking at, Drew?
A mug.
Ooh, a nice one. I really think the star of the merch here, though, is definitely these Little Boo plushies. Mega love. 30 bucks. So cute. Too much cuteness here this year. Look at these pins. Lanyards. Little Boo is everywhere. These are great bags. I love these. 40 bucks. Cool black and green checkerboard. Yellow eyeball. Hi. Oh, everything looks good. Ghost S'more, that's a cutie. Candy Corn Blondie. Ghost Trap Blondie, that's awesome. Slimer Brownie. Mini Puffed S'more. Lil Boo Sugar Cookie. Mel's Die-In Truffle Cake Black Forest. We just walked out of the tribute store and dropped a little over $70. Show us what we got for that, Drew.
So, first off, we got what most important is the Monster Energy drink, sugar-free, Zero Ultra. Then we got this beautiful, I think it was $15, and this is the top hat. It is a cake, and it has Oreo and beautiful confection around it. So
we'll see what's inside there when we open it up.
And then, of course, we can't go home without souvenirs. So for one of our little boos, we got...
That is for Liana. Little Boo Halloween Horror Nights 2024 shirt. Let's see the back of that. I thought it was so cute. Little Boo and a spider.
This is
That's for our 7-year-old.
$25.
And then we also got our 10-year-old a shirt. This one's really cool. Blacklight Reactive, Universal Halloween Horror Nights 2024. Let's see the back of this one. This has all of the houses here at Halloween Horror Nights 2024. You got Ghostbusters, A Quiet Place, Sweets Candy Factory, Monstros, Slaughter Cinema. Epic. Let's dig into that cake, Drew. Let's take a little moment to appreciate Drew's shirt. He's gotten a lot of compliments tonight. We picked this one up at MegaCon Orlando. You can see Jason, you can see Freddy Krueger, Hellraiser, Scream, It, Leatherface, Chucky. Awesome shirt. We loved it when we found it. I think we got him for like 2 for $60. We got another great one also. All right, back to the chocolate cake.
Let's see how this goes. All right, so we have it.
Oh, it must be hard, huh? My God, that looks good. She did say there was a Oreo in there. That looks freaking delicious. How is it? 0 to 10?
A 10.
It looked like you put black lipstick on.
That's good. I can't help it.
$15 for this one inside of the Tribute store. A little bit of sticker shock, but is it worth the 15, would you say?
It's good. Yeah, it's good. Yeah,
Is it worth the 15 though?
I think so. I think for
What would you price it? What would be an apt price?
an app price, $6. If that.
All right, well, we gotta try it. Dang, it looks good though. I'm gonna dig in. Oh, that's good. Like dark chocolate. Cake, a little mousse in there. Oh, I like that. That is freaking delicious. Really good. And I'm not just saying, that's really good. Mummy is one of the available rides here. And it's an excellent ride. If you've not done it before, Mummy's great. And it is included with your Halloween Horror Nights ticket. Of course, you can still get the regular snacks like the pretzels, the churros and corn dogs, and the turkey legs. Take a moment to appreciate the peaceful, calm chaos that is HHN. Heading towards the Deathly Hallows over in Diagon Alley. Walking through Blumhouse area. We're on the hunt for the Death Eaters here in Diagon Alley. We just walked in. That was quick. We walked in and they are right here. Escape from Gringotts is another ride that is open tonight. 45 minutes long is the wait. That is another great ride available here. Little bit of the view here in Diagon Alley. I always love stopping by to see her puking in her bucket. Where are we heading, Drew? What's next?
We're gonna go and try to find some food.
Let's go get some grub. Check out this African lentil and potato sambusa coffin. That sounds delicious. We've also got the poison apple caramel mousse with apple filling and streusel cake. This is definitely one of the more popular bars. The line is super long. Wanna Hunt. Fanta's the sponsor of this one. $6.99 for that lonely little chicken wing. We've got pumpkin guts, goblin pie, and gold juice right here. My drink is empty. It's been empty for a bit. Definitely time to refill it. I'm not gonna be refilling it here. Unfortunately, the line is way too long. So we just stopped at the Twisted Tater. There is Drew, there is Paul and Harmony. We got some taters in hand. We've got a seasoned salt and 2 garlic parm. What do y'all think? Give it a big old bite.
Really good.
They're good, yeah?
What we do have to say, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice.
Yeah. Showtime. All right, we're here with some friends. Halloween Horror Nights 2024. We are gonna check out the Sarcophagus Spiced Cider, Cuervo Traditional Blanco Tequila, New Amsterdam Vodka, Liquid Alchemist Tamarindo Syrup, Lime, and Orange Juice. I'm doing my refill, so it is gonna be $13.50. Sarcophagus Spiced Cider. Looks tasty. Got the Sarcophagus Spiced Cider. Let's give it a little tasty taste. Definitely heavy on the tamarind, which I love. I think it said it had mango as well. A little on the thicker side of a drink. It is a cider. Thank you. Fish and chips. Amazing. So let's come in here and try these huge fish chunks. Look at that. This is a malt vinegar aioli. Absolutely delicious. You can't ask for more from some fish and chips. Nice and crispy, fresh, delicious. I haven't tried the fries, but these fish nuggets are fantastic. Definitely recommend these. In the Fog fish and chips.
You will find your fears come to life in the realms. Collected within the depths of this heart.
That's Scare Zone number 4. That is a good one. Wow. That was very cool. So 4 scare zones this year as well as last year. And they just get better and better. Very cool.
was a great opening night. It is time for us to head out. Finishing up my drink, we're gonna go see if we can upgrade to a frequent fear. We're gonna find out if you can buy a single day ticket and upgrade it. We'll let you know in a minute. We are officially Frequent Fear Plus pass holders, baby. You can definitely upgrade your day ticket if you want. You can upgrade it to any of the free Frequent Fear passes that are out there. It's an option if you want to do it. So we did it tonight. Woohoo!